Hey y'all, welcome back to Math Rescue. I'm Andre, your certified math coach. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add polynomials. I'll show you how to add them vertically, which is a more algorithmic approach and really helps you see the why behind the process. Then we'll switch to the quicker, more typical way that you'll use when you're working through your calculation. Once you see how they both connect, combining polynomials will feel automatically. Let's talk about it. Alright, so the easiest way to add or subtract polynomials is to be able to recognize what we mean when we say like terms. So terms are separated by addition and subtraction signs. So for example, if we just look at this 4-term polynomial here we have a separator, here we have a separator, here we have a separator. So those are my separated terms. Now, terms are things that the variables have the same exponents on them. So, for example, here we have x cubed term. Here we have another x cubed term. Here we have an x squared term. X squared term. Here's an x term, and here we have a constant. Constant just means it doesn't have a variable on it, so it's constantly going to give you the same quantity. All right, so let's go ahead and let's add our terms up. So in the green, I have 4x to the third plus 3x to the third. That's going to give me 7x to the third. In that magenta color, I have 2x squared minus 4x squared. That's going to give me negative 2x squared. For the next color, that blue, I have negative 5x plus 2x. Negative 5x plus 2x is going to give me negative 3x. And then last but not least, my constants. I have 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is going to give me a positive. That's typically how we're going to go about doing our polynomial operations. We're pretty much just matching up the like terms and then combining the coefficients. When I say combining, I mean with adding or subtracting. Sometimes we are able to kind of set them up vertically, and it kind of makes it a little more obvious how we do the calculations. So here we're going to end up with an x to the third term. This is going to be our x squared, our x, and then right here we'll have our constant. 4 and 3 makes 7. 2 minus 4 makes negative 2. Negative 5 and 2 make negative 3. And then 7 minus 3 makes 4. I'm Andre, a certified math coach. See you in the next one.